Okay, magsisimula na po tayo ng ating first game ngayong araw. This is the battle between Barangay West Crame versus the Barangay Balong Bato. Sino kaya ang makakuha ng ikatlong pwesto ngayong season sa ating women's volleyball? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Good luck from both teams. Ayan, ang kanilang unang pagharap ngayong season. Barangay Balong Bato versus Barangay West Crame. Let the battle begin. First ball mula sa Barangay Balong Bato. The jersey number 10, Angelica Gorayeva. Outside. Points Barangay West Crame. Inside at nakabawi roon ang Barangay Balong Bato. All one. Is Camilla on the service. Nice dig. Martinez. Nice give. Dig para sa libero. Garcia. Nayangat din ang libero and outside. Points to Barangay Balong Bato. 2-1 ang ating talaan. Escamilla on the service. Nice dig for libero. Pagar setting on. Samantha. Garcia with a drop. Pagar setting on. It's a check and touch for Barangay West Crame. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong Bato. Escamilla on the service. Magar. Nice dig. Orayat to inside by jersey number 1. 4-1 ang ating score. On the service area once again is Camilla. Oh, outside this time. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. 4-2. On the service area, Martinez. Jasmine. Nice hit. Oh! It's a check. Ball touch. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. Martinez on the service. Inside. Tabla na tayo. Sa apat. Martinez once again on the service. Nice dig by Garcia. Oraye. Back to Garcia. Nice dig for West Crame. Samantha with the drop. Oraye was there, binalik ni Garcia. Ayan na ang West Grame. Oh, Alila Jane. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong Bato. 5-4. Wala ba? Ayos lang. Taglo ko lang. 5-4, 5-4. Oh, nice dig. Garcia inside. Official score 6-4. Oh, it's an ace coming from Oraye. 7-4 ang ating talaan. Oraye on service. Nice dig. Pagar setting on. Alila Jane. Nice dig. But this time, di nakuha ng Barangay Balong Bato. Down by 2. 7-5 ang ating score. Good serve. Nice dig. Oraye. Back to Garcia. Free ball. Oraye setting on. Garcia. Naiangat pero hindi umabot. Puntos yan for Barangay Balong Bato. 8-5. On the service area, Pam Garcia. Number 16. Good serve. Nice dig. Ayan na si Samantha. Oh, sorry, that's Belen. Dinarek ni Oraye. Jasmine. Pagar, Serido to Alila Jane. Garcia with the drop. Garcia. Martinez. Samantha tinawid. Garcia was there. Oraye to Gorayev. Inside for Angelica Gorayev. 9-5. Lumalaki ang alamangan ng Barangay Balong Bato. Garcia, not over. Puntos para sa Barangay West Grame. 6-9. Birthday ko yan, 6-9. Ayan. Oh, nice dig. And an inside. Service ace. Sa mga katsunin pala, this is binabati ko po ang bawat isa na Yapi Independence Day. Ayan. Para sa ating mga kapwa natin Pilipino and San Juaneño, Pagar Gorayev. Oh, inside for Gorayev. Puntos yan for Barangay Balong Bato. 10-7. More. Pagar setting on. Belen na iangat. Binalik ni... Oh! Not over! Puntos para sa Barangay West Grame. 10-8. On the service area, Alila Jane. On the service. Nice dig by Garcia. Oraye setting on. Oh, Alila Jane. Pagar na ibalik. Oraye to Gorayev. Naiangat ng libero. Here comes Belen. Garcia was there. Oraye back to Garcia. Alila Jane will receive. Martinez. Naiangat ni Garcia. Pagar. Oh! Inside. For Martinez. Mabasa isang alamangan. 10-9. On the service. Alila Jane on the service. Good serve. Nice dig by Garcia. Oraye to Gorayev. Not over. What a nice drop ball there para kay Jasmine Martinez. Tabla tayo sa 10. Alila Jane on the service. Good serve by Alila Jane. Guys, dig. Oraye to Gorayev. At may sagot. Nakabawi ang Barangay Balong Bato. Balik sa kanilang alamangan. 11-10. Serrano. Ay, sorry. Hindi siya masyadong familiar. Nice dig. Orias setting on to Garcia. Nice dig by Libero. Here comes Samantha at the back row. Garcia was there. Ayan na si Alila Jane. Cross court. Belen. Oy! Oraye with a drop. Pagar was there. Ayan na si Belen. Nice dig by Tolentino. Oh, sorry, that's Habor. Pagar. Drop. Binalik ni Ray. Alila Jane. Here comes Belen. Nice dig by Garcia. Oh, nice dig by Alila Jane. Nice dig again by Garcia. Garcia papalo. Oh! No way! What a long rally from both teams. Pero nang ibabaw pa rin ang Barangay Balong-Bato. 12-10 ang ating talaan. Angelica Gorayev on the service. Oh. Oh, wrong service. Violation ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Buka kayo. Ay, magkakalap dito ha. Wait lang. Uy, kape. Baka magalit yun ng ano. Oopsie, it's a violation. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. Nice take for Garcia. Here comes Gorayev. Block. Oh, naibawin eh. Naipasok ni Angelica Gorayev. It's a ball touch. 13-11. Angelica Gorayev on the service. Good serve. Nice take for Alila Jane. Block. Oh! Wala nga lang. Katulong doon si Garcia. Puntos for the West Crame. 13-12. Pagar on service. Nice dig for Garcia with a drop inside for Garcia. 14-12 ang ating talaan. Number 3 on the service. Good serve. Nice dig para sa Libero. Pagar setting on Martinez. Garcia. Habor. Oh! Not over. Inside. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. Ang gaano kasi gagi? Babasa dito. Amen. Chance ball. Oy, naiangat ng West Crame. Binalik. Oraya setting on to Garcia. Pagar was there. Alila J. binalik. Oraya. Garcia. Martinez was there. Binalik ulit. Nice dig. Habor! Inside! That's Samantha Habor. 15-13. Nice dig. Setting on to Garcia. Pagar setting on Alila Jane. Inside yan. Ayan na, baba sa isang lamang ng Barangay Balong-Bato. Good serve. Nice dig by Habor. Garcia inside. Ayan. Ayan na, balik sa dalawang lamang ng Barangay Balong Bato, 16-14. Garcia on the service. Good serve by Garcia. Alila Jane was there. Here comes Belen. Nice dig by oh! Nice dig! Yun lang. Outside. What for the West Grame. Baba sa isang lamang, 16-15. Martinez. Oh! Away! It's an ace coming from Samantha Martinez. Tabla tayo sa 16. Samantha, nice dig. Oraye to Gorayev. Martinez, Pagar to Alila Jane inside. Change favor. Lamang nga ang Barangay West Grame. Official score 17-16. 1 point lead for Barangay West Grame. At sila na ngayon ang may hawak ng kalamangan. Tingnan natin ang hadel ng Barangay Balong Bato. Kumain na. Okay, back to the ball game. 17-16 in favor of Barangay West Grame. Samantha Martinez on the service. Nice dig. Oh! Miscommunication. It's an ace for Martinez. 18-16. On the service area, Samantha. Oh, another service ace coming from Samantha Martinez. Tatlo na ang lamangan ng Barangay West Grame. Samantha, nice dig by Balong Bato. Garcia. Samantha was there. Pagar to Belen inside. For Belen. Puntos para sa Barangay West Grame, 20-16. Apat na ang limang ng West Grame. Samantha not over. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong Bato, 20-17. Nabor on the service. Nice dig by Libero. Pagar setting on to Belen. Nice dig by Garcia. Oraye to Gorayev. Binalik. Jasmine. Pagar to Alila Jane. Garcia with a dig. Oraye to Garcia. Samantha was there. Pagar to Belen. Nabor. Setting on. Oraye to Gorayev. What a combination play for Barangay Balong Bato. Baba sa dalawang lamang, 2018. On the service area. Nabor on the service. Good serve by Nabor. Jasmine setting on to Belen. Go. Ayun na, Oraye with the drop. Pagar will receive. Samantha to Alila Jean. Nabor. Oraye to Gorayev. At back row, nandun si Jasmine. Pagar to Samantha. Nice dig by Garcia. Gorayev to Oraye. Belen. Uy, net touch. Oh! Puntos para sa Barangay West Grame. 21-18. Tatlo lamang na Barangay West Grame. Alila Jane on the service. Good serve. Nice dig by Garcia. Here comes Uy, naangat. Magar setting on Jasmine Martinez. Inside. Timeout muna rito ang Barangay Balumbato. 22-18. Ayan, thank you, Nainay Morata, sa pagbate. Ayan, and sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng ating live, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Happy Independence Day. Back to the ball game tayo. Alila Jane on the service. Nice take by Garcia. Oraye to Garcia. Too strong. Puntos para sa Barangay West Grame. 23-18. Alila Jane. Nice dig by Pam. Gorayev. Belen. Nice dig by Garcia. Camillian. Alright. Gorayev. With a drop ball. Stop the bleeding. 23-19. Warning pa rin para sa Barangay West Grame. Oh, it's a violation and a step in on the line. Ayan na, set point para sa Barangay West Grame. 24-19. Belen on the service. Nice dig. Oraya with a drop ball. Di pa tapos ang laban para sa Barangay Balumbato. 24-20. Angelica Gorayev on the service. The serve. Nice dig. Here comes Belen. Sorry, that's Jasmine Martinez. Win of the first set, Barangay West Grame. At magkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa second set. 25-20. Win of the first set, Barangay West Grame. Welcome back to our live. We're going to the second set. Win of the first set, ang Barangay West Grame. At tingnan natin kung makakabawi rito ang Barangay Balumbato. Ayan, sa mga katsyon nila po, best of 2 tayo. 1-25. Alright, back to the ball game on the service area. Number 14. That is Pagar. Nice dig. Garcia. Nice dig by Martinez. Free ball. Garcia. Nice dig for Martinez. Pagar setting on Alila Jean. Inside. For Alila Jean. 1-0. Nice dig for Camilla. Garcia. Alila Jean. Bloy. What a nice drop ball for Alila Jade. 2-0. Pagar on the service. Oh, away. Napapahitipis lang daw sa amin ni Pagar. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong ba to? Nice dig for Martinez. Alila Jean. Nice dig by Scamillion. Here comes Scamillion. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. 3-1. Alila Jean on the service. Nice dig. Alright, to Garcia inside. Points para sa Barangay Balong ba to? 3-2. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. 4-2. Outside by Ava, it was mine on the service area, number 68. Juan Garcia. Nice dig. Oh, inside. Para sa Barangay West Crame. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. 6-3. On the service, that's Samantha Martinez. Nice dig. Here comes Gorayev. Nayangat. Pagar at the back row. Gorayev. Outside nga lang. Time out muna ang Barangay Balong Bato. 7-3 ang ating talaan. In favor pa rin sa Barangay West Crame. Back to the ball game. 7-3 ang ating talaan on the service area. Jersey number 2, Samantha Martinez. Nice dig. Jasmine Martinez. What a presence of mind for West Crame by Jasmine. Martinez once again on the service. Nice dig. Alright, to Gorayev. Oh! It's a ball touch. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong Bato. 8-4 ang ating talaan. Babasa apat. Nice receive. Pagar setting on Samantha Martinez. Puntos para sa Barangay West Crame. 9-4 substitution. Number 8 coming in for West, for Barangay Balong-Bato. Martinez, nice dig. Good hustle, pero hindi nga lang nakahabol. 10-4 ang ating talaan. Not over. Substitution number.
Substitution number 14. Pagar is coming in number 16.
Dorela. 10-5. Good serve, good receive.
Set by Jeneline.
Alila Jane.
Inside.
11-5.
West Clare 11-5. Now on third.
Good serve. Gorayev, nice dig. Free ball for Barangay Balong-Bato. Gorayev, nice dig. Nice dig for Balong-Bato. Ayan na, block by Alila Jane. Oh! Binalik ni Alila Jane. Puntos para sa Barangay West Clare. 12-5.
Now on third by jersey number 4.
Oy! Inside. Timeout muna ang Barangay Balong-Bato.
And the decision for 35 in favor West Clare.
In favor pa rin sa Barangay West Clare. Hadal muli ng Barangay Balong-Bato.
Still in the center by jersey number 4, Belen Mary.
Okay, back to ball game. Belen on the service. Alila Jane with the drop ball.
Inside.
Ibalik agad ni Alila Jane to get the score. 14-5 ang ating talaan. Belen on the service. Nice dig. Araya setting on to Gorayev. Belen was there. Samantha back to Belen. Too strong. Belen ba din? Dorabella. Garcia. Nice dig by Samantha. Ay. Garcia at the back row. Nayangat ni Alila Jane. Free ball. Gorayev inside. For Angelica Gorayev. Toss para sa Barangay Balong-Bato. 14-6. Not over. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong-Bato. $14-8 ang ating talaan. On the service area, Gorayev, Angelica.
Number 10.
Nice dig. Here comes Alila J. Nice dig by Camilla. Goraya binalik. Chance ball, free ball for Barangay West Crames. Oh! That's the Guzman. Iba. 15-8 ang ating score. In favor pa rin sa Barangay West Crames. Alila Jane on the service. Good serve. Outside. It's a raw ball rotation. Alright, back to the ball game. 60-9 of 59. It's a wrong service for Barangay West Crames. Social time muna tayo. Naayos lang muna ang ating position. Alright, okay na. Okay, back to the ball game. 15-9 in favor pa rin sa Barangay West Crames. Wrong rotation po, or wrong serve for Barangay West Crames. Serrano on the service. Nice dig by Jasmine. Alila Gino. Hit ba yun tayo na? Puntos para sa Barangay Balong Bato. 15-10. Nabasa 5 ang alamangan ng Barangay West Crames. Serrano on the service. Oh! Nice dig. Chance ball. Alright, to block by Alila Jean. Utos para sa Barangay West Cames, 16-10. Balik sa 6 ang kanilang kalamangan.
Alilo Jane, jersey number 6.
Alila Jane on the service. Good serve.
Number 90.
Garcia, nice dig for libero. Ayan na, pinalik. Chance ball. Garcia, nice dig. Oh! Free ball for West Grame. Alright, to Garcia. Naiangat ng West Grame. De Guzman, too strong. Utos para sa Barangay Balumbato, 16-11.
By now one third by number 18.
Nice dig. Chance ball for Barangay Balumbato. Garcia inside. For Garcia. Stop the bleeding. 16-12. Baba na lamang sa 4 ang hinahabol. Balumbato. Alright, back to the ball game. Not over. Boys, Barangay West Grame. 17-12. Number 1 coming in. Alright, back to the ball game. De Guzman on the service. Nice dig by Garcia. Garcia outside. Boys, Barangay West Grame. 18-12.
Now on service by jersey number 3, that is Ron Ava.
De Guzman on the service. Nice dig. Here comes Garcia inside. Mabasa 5 ang lamang. 18-13. On the service. Garcia Pam on the service. Nice dig. Here comes Samantha Martinez with a quick attack. Samantha Martinez on the service. Nice receive. Oraya with a drop. Belen was there. Pagar setting on to Martinez. Oraya to Gorayem. Naiangat ng libero. Pagar setting on Samantha. Garcia was there. Here comes Garcia. Oy! Good. Binalik. Garcia. Gorayem. Not over. Utos para sa Barangay West Grame. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. 20-13. Samantha on the service. Oh! It's an ace by Samantha Martinez. Substitution. Number 15. Wait lang daw. Good. It's an ace.
Substitution number 4. And coming in number 15. Position for 22-30 by Barangay West Grame in B4.
Samantha on the service. Nice take by Garcia. Here comes Binalik. Ayan na si Pagar. Martinez. Oy! Inside.
Warning Barangay West Grame.
It's a warning. Warning, warning, warning for Barangay West. Grabe. Samantha Martinez on the service. Not over. Stop the bleeding. 14-23.
Now on service by Orion.
Orion on the service. Nice dig.
And
Oh! Check ball. Ayan na, match point. Last one for Barangay West. Grabe. Makakukuha na kaya nila ang ikatlong pwesto para sa season na to. For the win. Jasmine Martinez on the service. Nice dig by Garcia. Orion to Garcia. Nice dig. Ayan na, free ball. Oh! Garcia is a crossing. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Match point. Good serve by Bagar setting on. Nice dig by Garcia. Orion. Back to Garcia. Nice dig by Samantha. But this time, check out. It's a ball touch. Puntos para sa Barangay Balong Bato. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Oh, nice dig by Samantha. Pagar binalik. Garcia was there. Orion setting on to Garayeb. Naiangat. Garcia. Oh my goodness! Garcia! Ang nagtapos ng laban. Congratulations, Barangay West. Grabe. And a nice game para sa Barangay Balong Bato. Makukuha na po ng anak, makukuha na po ng Barangay West. Grabe. Ang ikatlong pwesto for the third place this season sa ating women's volleyball division. Ayan. Congratulations po and nice game from both team. Fourth place po natin ang Barangay Balong Bato. Magbabalik tayo for our second game. Battle for third, Barangay Balong Bato versus Barangay na defending champion Barangay 11 sa ating pagbabalik. Congratulations, Barangay Balong Bato for our third place. That's the